I want to introduce Betsy Pernotto. She is a new instructor for us and will be teaching the beautiful, bountiful orchid. It will start on March 5th. She's going to bring her love of orchids and her 20 years of experience in growing them to us and sharing all of her information and knowledge. Welcome, Betsy.
Thank you. Hello, my name is Betsy Pernotto, and I'm excited to teach a course on orchids this spring, the beautiful, bountiful orchid, Basics for Beginners. I've been growing orchids for more than 17 years, and like many of you, when I see a photograph of orchids or see them in stores, I'm captivated by their beauty. A good friend of mine was growing orchids in her office, and I thought, I can do this too. Very quickly after buying my first orchid, I was sucked into the orchid addiction. I say orchid addiction because when we orchid growers see new and different orchids, we want to acquire them. I've always loved plants, but orchids are in a class by themselves. First, they're one of, if not the largest family of flowering plants. Experts estimate that there are more than 25,000 species of orchids and more than 100,000 hybrids. In varieties, you can find orchids from the very tiniest to the enormous. From orchid genera that have large showy flowers to those that you need a hand lens to appreciate. Orchids have it all, from those that grow in the tropics to those that grow in the Arctic. In the first class session, we will explore a bit about the history of orchids and other cultures, and about the evolution of orchids and radiation into many different habitats. We'll learn about what makes an orchid, about their growth habits, where they occur in the world, and their flowering and pollination. The second session will be more hands-on. I will bring orchids to class, including some in bloom, so that students can see the variety and beauty of this family. Students will learn how to grow, repot, and hopefully rebloom their own orchids. You will learn about watering and fertilizing, and we will discuss growing a variety of different orchids. And I will provide information on where you can purchase orchids and orchid supplies. I hope you will join us this spring for an amazing look into this incredible family. Thank you.